Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so I would like to say thank you for all my supporters, for all of you that support my channel. I have 23,000 subscribers now, and I am so amazed and I feel honored that you guys are supporting my channel. And I'm going to make some art tutorial video on how to paint easy painting, a landscape easy painting, just like this. This is easy painting, guys. Actually, you can finish this in 30 minutes, or less. But I'm going to show you how to paint mini canvases. And guys, I want you to tune in my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click that like and subscribe my channel. And please guys, you can share my channel too. Share to your friend. And I'll be posting some tutorial every Monday. I'm going to post some mini paintings. Yes, you can follow me if you want, and I would love to. Any question, if you have any question about painting, I can share my ideas. And usually the type of my painting is whimsical. This kind of paintings is like colorful color. I like painting with a lot of colors. So guys, see ya.